Hey guys, happy 4th of July. I was just looking at some charts early this morning and I pulled up the daily. I haven't looked at the ZB daily in a couple of days. And here we are, right here on the 21. Make that a little, oops, make that a little bigger if I can. My toss wants to act right. Look at that. A little better there. Right up and tested this 21. I hear back a few days it kind of blew up and then pulled back, but it's got some support down here around this 147, mid 147 area, but it's hitting this 21 again. We've got a daily squeeze as well. Let's see what happens on that. It's still, that squeeze is still building. I'm jumping around here. See what happened on the last squeeze. When it finally fired, this guy took off. That's our EMA cross. When that thing fired here, it went from what, 160-ish, 162 down to 150 pretty quick. Big move. So we'll see what happens, but kind of consolidating here. I hate to forecast because I'm not a forecaster, and I think anybody that tries to forecast is just fooling themselves. But we've got some consolidation here. Greece, I think, it's funny. I think Greece has held this bond trade up here and got everybody, wondering what's going to happen. That's why it's gone into this squeeze, and you see this choppiness here. And I mean, I've made money in these moves here, but I'd much rather see a nice defined downtrend. But it's right here on the 21, so it's kind of at another decision point on going up, or is it going to keep going down? The EMAs suggest down. 8/21/55. So PPO is kind of coming up, which that happens when you get the low consolidation in one way or the other. Another thing here is the ATR. Look at the average ATR. Well, my screen chopped it off, but it's just right at $2 a day. 2 points a day, so it's big. You can make a lot of money within a 2-point range on bonds. I know that's not a Priceline or a Google, but trust me, 1 point move, one contract's $1,000, so that's $2,000 a day move, roughly back and forth on average. But something to watch. I just saw it. Wanted to bring it up. Hope you have a good 4th, and we'll see what next week brings. Thanks a lot.